Okay, as you can see, I've got to sand this down. This is really rough. But you want to help Ainsley as well. You want to help. So you want to lick it clean. You'd lick it clean, wouldn't you? Hey, you'd lick it clean. You good boy. Yeah, so Hensley's not going to finish this off, so I've got to sand this down, ready for the base coat. As you can see, you definitely don't want to help, don't you? You definitely do want to help. It is very rough, so I'm going to use a 400 and a 600 and get this ready for base coat. You sure you don't want to do it? Do you want to do it, Hensley? No? Okay then, I'll do it then. Keep doing it right. Am I doing it right, Hensley? Or do you want to show you? Right, I mixed my Daytona grey and compared to yesterday it's extremely runny, so I'm a little bit worried about this again. So let's see what happens. I've got the air pressure at under 30 and no paint to come out, very low, and fan about medium. Right, that's not coming out obviously. A couple of little spots that tells me that maybe the air pressure is a bit low. So let's maybe turn the air pressure up. Right, I'll turn the air pressure up to 40, so what happens then? Still getting the odd splattering, I don't know why. It does feel that I've got a bit more control of it, so I'm hoping, fingers crossed. That to me seems so much better, so much better. I just do one thin coat, then I do the rest afterwards. But I'm happy with that. That is so much better. I just feel, I hope you can hear me properly, I feel a lot more confident. I can actually get a thin layer. Before, I couldn't actually get a thin layer. But now this gun feels a lot better. It's a sealing gun, it's only cheap. I think it's about £55, something like that, £60, not expensive. And it's a HVPL 741. I'm quite happy with this one. Okay. You might notice I'm going one way. This time I'm going to go that way. The reason being, because you've got to do it in one stroke. So therefore, one whole panel, one way, come back. One way, come back. And the reason being, because as it's a metallic, the metallics will sit in a certain way.
So if you're spraying that way and then come back this way, there could be like a zebra line because the metallics are sitting different. That's what I've been told. So I've got to do it different way. So this panel is going to be on the left hand side of the trailer. So therefore, the other one corner piece was on the right hand side of the trailer. So the one on the right, I go that way. This one, I go that way. Okay, this is going so much better. This is now. It's chalk and cheese compared to yesterday. I'm pretty happy with that. It's not better than what it was yesterday. So yeah, hopefully that's good. Smooth down a bit, and I'm happy with it. My first go of metallic. Right, I've just, it's 8 o'clock at night and I've just finished all the Daytona Grey. It looks, I'm really happy with it. But now I want to crack on and get the lacquer on. So I've done a 2-to-1 mix and then a 10% thinners. So I mixed it up now, and let's see if we can crack on with that. So I'll have a little test sheet, see how it goes first. I think that's okay.
Okay, man, let's have a quick look at what the results were from last night. And this is all hanging up. Turn the lights on.
Some light on it. Wow.
It looks a bit like a crime scene.
It looks like.
I know, let's turn the lights on.
Could look like it. Black illuminations on there.
Oh, it is.
Oh, they're nice, aren't they? Wow.
I'm pretty happy with that result.
That's lovely, that does. Well done, baby.
Yeah, it's not
Get
bad.
a job doing
Oh
that.
God, no. Considering it's a little bit orange peel, but do you know what? I'm really happy with that.
Well, I think for a trailer, it doesn't really matter.
No, it's not just because it's a trailer.
No, but like, no, but it doesn't.
But do you know what? I am
That's
really.
a bit of shame to use it now and get it dirty, wouldn't it?
Should we leave it there then?
Yeah.
And look at this. I'm considering yesterday it was a bit of a disaster.
It was at wit's end yesterday.
Oh, I was, yeah. I was not happy.
It's very dark, isn't it?
It is very dark. It's
Nice.
yeah, but yeah, I'm really. I hope you can see that bit well.
You can't
but
really see that well with that light.
yeah, you can see me in it.
It must be shiny.
Yeah. Oh wow, look at that! You can see both of us in there, in the panel.
So
Oh,
shiny it is.
yeah. I am really happy with that result, considering how it was yesterday.
Yeah. Really nice.
Yeah, I'm really, really happy with that.
Considering you haven't spray painted before,
No,
I think you've done a pretty good job.
thanks, baby.
You're welcome. Thank you.
I don't know if it needs another coat though. It's a shame to do another coat, actually.
Yeah, because it looks so nice.
Yeah, I'm almost tempted not to.
And if you put a thick coat on rather than just a thin coat,
Yeah,
it's a shame to sort of mess with them when they look so nice.
yeah, I'm almost.
If you don't get that finished the next time, you're going to wish you hadn't done
Well,
it
yeah,
again,
this
aren't
is great. You know what I mean? That's quite nice.
you? Very nice.
Bit of orange peel, but teacher, I'm very, very happy with
Well,
that.
for your first time spray painting, and say yesterday when it was so,
It was a bit looking a bit of a
you wasn't happy
disaster.
with the undercoat. Was it the undercoat you wasn't happy?
It was the primer.
The primer
Yeah,
just went on all
and it wasn't. Yeah, I wasn't.
I'll put the heaters
I wasn't a happy bunny, was I?
on. No, no.
But yeah, look at all the dust here. Look. Oh god. Anyway, okay, that's stage 1 done. Let's get the trailer.
Yay!
And then do the trailer. And then next week we can bolt it together.
Brilliant.
Fantastic.
Then we can put the tent on. And off we go.
Off we go.
Well, go put the struts on. Still lots of bits to do yet, but definitely closer.
Hensy's adventures will start.
We'll start properly.
Okay.
Ciao
Ciao
for
for
now.